Sorry, I couldn't resist. People love their Supernotes for its thoughtful custom software. It really is a place to write and to draw. I personally can't wait to use the new A5X2 as my planner, my sketchbook, and my journal. And you guys are all telling me you're planning to use it for academic work, for things like research, studying, or teaching. For business work, for planning, for scheduling, for meeting notes. For personal leisure uses, for reading, for journaling, and to manage your hobbies. And of course for your personal work, for your creative work, your writing, and for reference. Just check out the Supernote subreddit to see all of the amazing ways. And if you know that this is the one for you, if you've been waiting for it for months, then go to their website quickly from the link in the description, because I think they're going to be selling out pretty quickly. This A5X2 Manta is the most eagerly anticipated launch of 2024 in the world of e-ink. So why are they calling it the Manta? It's to do with the design. It's going to be thinner at the edge, tapering down to just 3mm at the thinnest point. But Manta, for me, it still gives off the kind of long distance travel vibes, crossing the ocean as mine is doing as we speak. I'll be featuring it in a lot of content, so please ask away in the comments everything you want to know about it and anything that you want me to test. On their website, they're also making reference to you diving into your mind. And it sounds like many of you are looking forward to building inside the A5X2 Manta a deep and structured notebook, or a journal which is going to live there as your second digital brain. It's going to be awesome for that. And the A5 refers to the size. So think about a bit of printer paper, but folded in half. This is their original A5X. It's their second generation of A5 size device. And the X denoted that it had an Android operating system. And yes, you can sideload Android apps onto the device, but there's no Google Play App Store there. People love putting knowledge management apps like Obsidian on the tablet, and of course being able to install their Android reading app of choice. And the 2 refers to the second generation of A5X, although it also refers to the 2 clever side rails, which allow lots of cleverly thought up shortcuts to get around the device and interact with it quickly. And I haven't even talked about the ceramic nibs, which never run out, and the Feel Right 2 film, which for me is the best writing feel of all the industry. Think ballpoint on cartridge paper. That's what you're getting here. And many of you are asking which is the best writing feel. Well, I can tell you my favorite for handwriting is certainly the Feel Right 2 on the Supernotes. And then there's their accessories, which in my opinion make the whole thing feel like a premium notebook and pen. It's just the best in the whole business. And one more thing, they've teamed up with Lamy this time to co-create an exclusive Lamy EMR pen, which should be incredible. That's a new one with the ceramic nib. And they're also releasing today a Lamy and Supernote crystal set with the A5X2 Crystal Edition, a Lamy EMR pen, and a Lamy design folio to go with it. All of that in a gift set. So that should be great for someone special at this time of year, even if that someone special is you. And I haven't even got to the durable plastic build, the modularity for upgrades and repairs, and the commitment to no planned obsolescence, with a roadmap of updates that you can actually upvote in priority on their public Kanban board. I'm majorly hyped for this device, so make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so that you don't miss any of my videos, as although you can't see these in shops, I'm aiming to give you the next best thing.